So, well, is my presentation there? Thank you. Oh, we already got to the end. So awesome. Thank you so much. That was great. Yeah, thanks so much for having us for a start. By the way, we really like Street Fight, and we're very honored to actually be here with so many people that work in the local space. Could we get the beginning of my presentation? It's very complicated otherwise. Just go. See, we go straight to the partnerships. Perfect. Yes, there. Yay! So, well, that's us. We are Localistico, which is a slightly difficult name to pronounce. We're actually based in the UK, not in Spain, as the paper says, but we're a distributed team. So you can pretty much say we're for everywhere. We are a local marketing platform. What we're trying to do is actually do something that uses digital signals to help people take people to the store, which is what actually our retailers and hotels and restaurants want, and analyze, basically know more about what their customers are doing, right? So the part that we were a bit curious about, I've always worked in search. I used to work at Google and at Yahoo, and in both cases I always was very strange about there's a huge local marketing budget out there. Actually, the market's around 145 billion if you look at it worldwide. Everybody knows that people use local platforms to search. We all have our stats about, people always search in Google or Yelp or TripAdvisor. Pretty much all of us use it. And actually, Google did an extra, which is basically they detect when you're searching for something that requires a map and shows you a map instead. This is 1 of every 5 queries in desktop, 1 of every 3 in mobile, which is basically a huge audience. And we all know that this is damaging to the business. So if the business basically, I don't go, for example, to coffee shops that don't appear in maps. So if you're not there, you pretty much lose me as a client, right? And it actually works. Like, we have the measures to know that this is one of our clients, for example, that from going from I'm not there to I am there to our tool optimizes their presence, you actually get more hits across platforms. This is Google, this is Yelp. You can even estimate how much money are they making out of this. So why, basically, when we went to talk with marketing teams, they're not using something to manage this if it works, right? And we have a hypothesis about it, and we think it's because online marketers, both the teams and the agencies, are used to something like this. Basically, they're used to have some presence that they create. They do some discovery and promotion, either organic or paid. They analyze basically what's happening, and then they plan again. And this is by now automated, really well automated by tools like HotSuite or Audience or HubSpot, which is one of our favorites, right? So we took basically the example of HubSpot to say HubSpot pretty much did inbound marketing and automated it. Why is there no equivalent in local marketing? Why are we so fragmented? Why we cannot really track how much effect things are happening, right? So you now have analytics. There's actually analytics both in the platforms and outside of the platforms, in your presence system, in your paid advertising. And this is very difficult to put together manually, and this is what we found. Is basically the return of investment is not very clear, and the spend is very high. So we said, okay, what we're talking about is citation building or presence management, which is what we're calling it now, right? People don't need this, we think. We think people need something that is more local marketing automation. What we thought is, what if you use online marketing tool approaches to do local marketing? And that's basically what we're trying to do in Localistico. What we did is basically a platform that pulls together digital information and helps you act on it in a way that you can use across your normal presence and your paid presence. We obviously do the typical citation building / listings indication things of putting you in places, analyzing your presence, allowing you to put all locations in the same place, but then, and make you look pretty and so on. But what we think is interesting is actually send those insights to the business owners, producing some kind of reporting, and also showing them whether that is impacting or not what they're doing. So to show you an example, these are some of the questions that people have regarding what is my most popular location, or is my paid advertising having any effect? This, for example, was one chain of restaurants that basically wasn't looking at Foursquare at all, where actually it happens that most of their interaction occur in Foursquare. And this is because they were looking at the Spanish market, where almost nobody uses Foursquare, but most of their clients are actually foreign, and they use Foursquare. And as another example, which I found was very good, about what gets measured gets acted on, this is one of our clients here, a real estate agent. We basically produce these reports that they send to their CEO. And at some point, they actually discovered that reviews are having an impact on how much visibility they have, and real estate agents are really competitive. So they said, we're going to run a competition about getting reviews because that is affecting our ranking, right? So then this happened. This is how many reviews they got this week. And then this happened. I've never actually seen anybody getting 1,500 reviews in a week just because they actually were incentivized to say this is affecting what we are doing, right? That increases the relationship they have with the platforms. So basically, that's what we're trying to do. Basically, put information about locations in one place and give them actionable insights that they can actually use. Oh, this is us. We come from Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, Yale, pretty much. We have an office in London, another one in Madrid. We are targeting to actually grow a bit this year, although not too much compared to the volume you're used to. We work with some bigger brands, including O2 UK here, Foxtons, or El Corte Inglés, which is the biggest department store in Europe, and fourth bigger worldwide. And basically what we're looking for here was two things. One is partnership collaborations. So basically we decided that we're in a state where we would need to reach out to some of you to actually, probably if we can complement your offer, it would be interesting to explore that. And the second one is we're doing a VC round probably at the end of the year, but we want some angels, particularly if they have experience in this space. So if you think that would be interesting to you, we'd really love to talk. Thank you so much.